Why is the M1 Abrams tank still in service after almost 40 years? The M1 Abrams tank has remained in service for almost 40 years due to several key reasons. Superior armor protection. The M1 Abrams was designed with advanced composite and modular armor, providing exceptional protection against a wide range of threats on the battlefield. Its armor has proven highly effective in resisting various anti-tank munitions, including rockets and missiles. Firepower. The M1 Abrams is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore cannon, capable of firing a variety of ammunition types, including armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot (APFSDS) rounds and high-explosive anti-tank (HEAT) rounds. This gives it significant firepower to engage and destroy enemy armored vehicles, fortifications, and other targets. Mobility. The tank features a powerful gas turbine engine, which provides it with exceptional mobility and agility, allowing it to traverse various terrains at high speeds. The M1 Abrams can quickly reposition itself on the battlefield, making it highly effective in offensive and defensive operations. Digital systems. Over the years, the M1 Abrams has undergone several upgrades to incorporate advanced digital systems, enhancing its situational awareness, target acquisition, and engagement capabilities. These upgrades include improved fire control systems, thermal sights, and digital network integration, which enable effective coordination with other friendly forces. Continuous upgrades. The M1 Abrams has seen continuous technological advancements and upgrades to ensure its relevance on the modern battlefield. This includes improvements in armor protection, firepower, mobility, and digital systems. By upgrading existing tanks rather than developing an entirely new platform, the U.S. military has been able to maintain a cost-effective and efficient armored force. Reliability and durability. The M1 Abrams has demonstrated remarkable reliability and durability throughout its service history. Its robust design and construction have allowed it to withstand the rigors of combat, ensuring its operational readiness even in harsh environments. Cost considerations. The M1 Abrams has a relatively high initial procurement cost, but its long service life and upgradability have proven cost-effective over time. The U.S. military has found it more economical to continue upgrading and modernizing the existing fleet rather than replacing it entirely with a new tank design. Global demand. The M1 Abrams has been exported to several allied nations, further driving its longevity in service. The widespread adoption of the tank by other countries has created a demand for spare parts, logistics support, and ongoing upgrades, which have contributed to its sustained service life. Overall, the M1 Abrams' combination of superior armor protection, firepower, mobility, continuous upgrades, and cost-effectiveness has made it a formidable and enduring asset for militaries around the world, allowing it to remain in service for nearly 4 decades.